As you can see, this blue is just about all gone. We're going to put this color to rest, and I'm changing the color up here very soon. So I wanted to do one last homage to the blue hair, and this look is going to be an all blue look. Everything except for my base foundation is going to be blue, and I was going to do the foundation off camera, but as you can see, I've had some breakouts, been stressing, not drinking enough water, whatever other excuse I can come up with. So I thought it was a good time. If you're not familiar with Tarte Shape Tape, you're definitely living under a rock when it comes to the makeup world, because this is the best. This stuff is absolutely the best. So it's kind of been outplayed and stuff definitely on videos, but this is what I use, this is what I've been using, and kind of just wanted to show it to work. That might be like a little much, but let's just go ahead. We're doing it quick. You see the coverage on that already, as much as I put, which is a good bit, but I'll take some of it and put it up like right under my eyes. I will take my glasses off here in a second. So if I have a little too much, right here I kind of just pat it in a little, and then I'll go over it with my foundation because I'm not really looking to contour. So some people can use concealer for contouring, or you can use it, what it was originally made for is to conceal those imperfections and those little blemishes. So I just kind of tap it around. You see it's blended decently well, and then I'm just going to put my foundation kind of all over that. So let's go ahead and jump straight in. Foundation I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte. This has kind of been my go-to foundation, especially when making videos. I feel like it shows up really nice on camera. It's not super expensive, so I can use it without feeling like I'm being a little bit wasteful if I'm not going out and about my day. But I do tend to use matte foundations a lot more in the summer because we're outside, we're sweating, we're glowy, we're getting a little misty, so the matte does help just to kind of offset that a little bit. I'm just putting a good glob on my brush, and again just going in kind of quickly. Whew, okay, I don't know if you could tell, but my poor eyebrows need a little TLC. I have forsaken them, evidently. Let's go ahead and get into contour. I have really been loving this. I bought this for a video for this channel. This is an e.l.f. contour palette, and I've really been liking it. I mean, it meets all of my needs, and it's inexpensive. I don't have to feel bad like using it up. I just am right now kind of mixing these two. I don't want anything too intense, but I'm just doing a little bit of a semi-contour kind of bronze, I guess, just to give some color back since I am a little bit more fair skin. I like to add some color, add a little shape to my face. Sometimes I will take like just the same brush and go in a little bit like with this lightest color, and it's more of a highlight, but I'll go under my eyes sometimes just to brighten up my eyes, like if I'm feeling a little bit tired. So you can see right there, it just does just the tiniest bit of brightening, nothing too crazy. It's not necessarily, I don't think, sparkly or highlight enough to use as an official highlighter, so it seems to do well for just brightening up that little T-zone kind of area. Might as well finish off the eyebrows. All I do is switch between these pencils, these little micro mini eyebrow pencils, and they have the brush at the end. Okay, now if it looks like I was keeping a very natural look and didn't do much with my eyebrows, that's because I did not. This pencil actually ran out, so I didn't have really anything to work with, enough to kind of darken a tiny bit, but other than that I just brushed them. I have gotten up twice already and put this video on pause. If I get up a third time, I'm likely to just scratch the whole thing, so we're just gonna keep moving and call this a very natural eyebrow day. Now with eyeshadows, I have a few options. Of course, you've seen this in my video before, Revolution. This is a very beautiful spring summer color palette that I love. You can see it's got 3 lovely blues there. I also have Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette. This one has a little bit more of a teal blue that I really like, especially for a little bit more darkening. And then I have, this is color AZURE. So this is Bare Minerals Glitter. This is AZURE. So let's kind of get started and see what we come up with. The eyes are done. I went ahead and did the mascara off camera and you see both eyes there. I really like that. Truly does look like a blue mermaid kind of effect. So next we are jumping in with, this is the Alchemist palette. This is Kat Von D. I love this palette. I have not bought another one. I really need to. I'm going to open this up very carefully and show you guys. I know I've showed it before, but it's broken. You see pan on the green. This is what we're using, this blue color right here, which, I mean, it doesn't look blue, right? I just think this is such a cool palette. They all kind of look about the same color, but blue sapphire. We are putting this highlight on my cheeks. I'm going to come down a little bit low to kind of use it as almost a blush to highlight. So let's see, we might try to build a little. So I'm just tapping this brush, you see it there on. I used to use this a lot on my lips or on my eyes over a black base. So I would put black lipstick on, like a cream lipstick or a liquid lip, and put it on top of that, and it was beautiful. The color shows up so nice. I mean, look, you can see that that's blue. So it gives my cheek that little bit of color down low but up into the highlight, and we're kind of just going a little bit into okay, so this same, I'm going to just come in with that thin, so this brush here that I used earlier, we're using the other end, which is just very narrow, and I'm going to highlight right under my brow bone. So right in here, we're just going to add some of that blue highlight too as well. There we go. Little subtle lightening with a hint of blue. Just blend that. Actually, let's take this side and see, because it's okay to blend it a little bit with the blue. There we go. Ooh, I like that. Let's do that on the inside. Look at that. These small little touches make me so happy. See, look at that. Brings a true, genuine smile to my face. But I think this is going to be a center to kind of lighten everything up, give that little two-tone color. I'm going to try this one first. This is a Too Faced liquid lip. It is color Who's Zoomin' Who. I'm not sure how much I have though left of that. So if I don't have enough, then we might have to just go in with this. This is a Wet n Wild just cream stick. And then this is a blue glitter from MAC. It's a lip gloss. I might do this all on top depending on how everything comes out, or I might just add some more highlight, but I do have a very intense, let me just show you. This one is a Cover FX glitter drops. This I absolutely love. So this is like my final touch to put just like right up in here to give that extra shine, and I usually like to put a little bit of this on my Cupid's bow. Sometimes I get a little carried away, so we'll save that for the very end. All right, there you have it. There is my all blue makeup look to kind of just say farewell to the blue hair. We will be doing another color here soon. I'm not exactly sure yet, haven't decided. Let me know what you guys think about this look, if there's any products that you have used, what your favorites are, or anything you're excited to use. I will link everything that I use and all the color names down in the description below. Go check it out, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.